The Edgemesh overview page has a breakdown of metrics as they correspond to the page load experience. For example, pre-connect timing metrics are things that have to happen before the server can even begin to respond. Then we have server timing metrics such as SSL time and TCP time, and most importantly, the time to first byte, followed by client-side metrics such as first input delay, the core web vitals, first contentful paint, and time to interact it. For each metric, you can see a breakdown of the individual metric in the actual distribution. Looking at averages is often not helpful. Instead, Edgemesh shows you a median, meaning that half the users experience the time faster than this, and half the users experience the time slower than this. A 75th percentile, meaning that 75% of all users experience this metric in less than this time, and a 90th percentile. The 75th percentile is used by Google inside of the Chrome Real User Experience metric and is an important breakpoint to keep an eye on. For each metric, you'll notice that the histogram includes a green area denoting a fast score, a yellow area denoting an average score, and a red area denoting a slow score. To the right, you can see the time series for each individual metric at the median, 75th percentile, and 90th percentile.